Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We have been talking about several strategies to use in the market so that you can be able to make some money. Uh, Today we are starting with the rising wedge. On the previous lesson we talked about the falling wedge. Today we are talking about the rising wedge. You can see where you are supposed to place your stop loss, your entry point, your target. Remember to use a ratio of 1 is to 3 as I usually say. You can see on our chart we have a breakment of our neckline, a candle confirmation, and then we have a downward movement. Let's go to our next strategy, bullish pennant. I know most of you have never heard of this kind of strategy. You have a stop loss, entry point, and a target. It looks like a bullish flag, something like that, but it's called a bullish pennant. And then a stop loss, entry point, and a target. Remember to use a ratio of 1 is to 3. An example on our charts. Um, Remember we have to wait for a candle confirmation. You see the candle break up the upper neckline and a candle confirmation, and then we have the bullish downtrend. On our next strategy, we have the bearish rectangle. We talked about the bullish rectangle area on our last video. Today we are talking about the bearish rectangle. You can see where you're supposed to place your stop loss, entry point, and the target. Remember to use a ratio of 1 is to 3. An example on our chart, you can see it's very well illustrated on the chart. A candle confirmation, a stop loss right there, at entry point right down below the neckline, the down neckline. Then you can place your target on a ratio of 1 is to 3. The bearish pennant. We talked about the bullish pennant area. Now we have the bearish pennant. The stop loss, entry point, and the target. All right. Um, Remember to use a ratio of 1 is to 3 for your risk management. An example: breakment of the the downward neckline, then press your entry point after this candle is closed. Don't wait for the candle to close so that you can press your entry point. All right. Wait for the candle to close, press your entry point, your target point, your target, place it on a ratio of 1 is to 3. Triple top. We talked about double tops and double bottoms earlier on. Now we are talking about triple tops. We have the resistance level above here where the price is pushing downwards, and then we have the support level where the price is pushing upwards. You can see the price has already broken the support point. So what do we expect? A downward movement. This example is illustrated on our charts. The candle closed below the support point, and showing us that it has already broken the support point. So what do we expect? A downward trend. Remember to place your stop loss right here, your entry right here after the candle close, and then the take profit. It's your choice, but make sure I recommend a ratio of 1 is to 3. All right, for your risk management. Resistance level. This is a triple bottom, a resistance level above, and a support level. Here it has already broken the resistance level. What do we expect? Let's see on our charts. After it has broken the the resistance level, wait for candle confirmation, then press a buying positions. Remember to use a ratio of 1 to 3 to know where to place your take profit and your stop loss. But your stop loss is supposed to be right down below, and your entry point after the candle close, and your take profit use a ratio of 1 is to 3. That's cool. Remember to use mostly the 4-hour time frame, the bigger time frame. Then use a 1 hour time frames or the 30 minutes time frame to know where to place your entries. All right. Very, very, very good. We have a bearish diamond moment pattern. This is a bearish diamond pattern. You can see an example. After breaking this neckline here, wait for a candle close, place your entry point at stop loss right here, the previous high. All right, and your take profit, remember to use a ratio of 1 is to 3. Rounding bottom, I told you to talk about. If you can follow up my videos, I showed you about a rounding bottom, but we did not illustrate it on our charts. Here we are going to see it on our charts, and you see that it really works. So after seeing a rounding bottom, mark it, mark the resistance level, wait for a retest. Remember we talked about retest on our last videos. Remember a retest. All right, then wait a bullish candle, then place your entry point above here, then place your stop loss on your previous low, on this case here, then your take profit, remember to use a ratio of 1 is to 3. Let's see on our charts. Look, very beautiful. Marking the rounding bottom, taking the resistance point and marking it, and waiting for a retest and a candle confirmation. Remember to enter your trade after the candle close. All right. Okay. Then remember to use a ratio of 1 is to 3 to know where to place your take profit. A rounding top. You have a rounding bottom and a rounding top. Here we are. Remember to mark the support level, wait for a retest, wait for a bearish, place your entry right here, then wait for the place your stop loss on the above previous high. All right, on your previous high. So your stop loss right there, your entry right here, your target, remember to use a ratio of 1 is 3. Here we have an illustration of our charts. The resistance level, the rounding top, and a retest, an entry points right there, take profit here as well, because you can target this support point here. After that, you can come out of the market with very, very good money. This seems around if you are using high time frames, you can be able to make even more than 300 pips. Cup and candle, cup and handle, resistance level, market, a retest, entry point, take profit. I hope you should be sharp now, because I've taught you guys a lot of things, so you know, after seeing the diagram, you know already what I want to say. So you guys, you are very sharp. I know I have taught you so many things about retest, take profit, entry point, using ratios for risk management, and applying them on your chart. So you can see a cup and handle, a cup and its handle. You know how a cup looks like, yeah, right? So that is it. Wait for a retest, a candle close. After the candle close, now you can enter your take profit. Don't come when your candle has not already closed. If it's a 4-hour time frame, wait for the 4 hours to come to an end, so that you can place your entry point. Wait for the candle close. Inverse cup and handle. Here we have the inverse cap and handle is the inverse of what we have said on our previous video on our pre on the on this cap and handle. Now this is an inverse of what we have just said. All right, just there you can see. You can pause the video, observe, take a good look of that, nice yourself with the video, and that's the end of today's video. So see you on the next video. Remember to subscribe, support the video, support the YouTube channel, so that you can continue to share more hints and make ourselves win in this forex market. See you on the next video. Bye bye.